Hello and welcome. My name is Peter and I'm the one to take you through on how to customize this WordPress login page. You're going to use a free plugin. The plugin that you're going to use, I have done a very big research for me to achieve and come up with this conclusion. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos to follow. So what we need to do is we go to my dashboard and we scroll to plugin and select add new. What we need, come to search section and type white label CMS. Yeah, this is the plugin that you're going to use. It's called white label CMS. It has more than 100,000 active installation. Let's install now. After successful installation, click activate, and after you activate the plugin, scroll to setting and select white label CMS. A few setup is needed. You can decide to skip and you just selected to this page. What we need to do now is select login and we enter the login logo, this one. So I have one I need to upload, so I come and select the logo and I insert it. After that, I want to change this background with the picture. You can decide to change it with the color. Let's select one and save and see how it may look like. So after that, we open it in a private page. Yeah, you can see it just changed the background, but I don't need this one. So what we need to do, I don't need a color, so I just clear and I come to background image. I want to use an image, so come here and I upload an image. This is the image I'm using. You can see it is 1920 by 1280 pixel. Insert the picture, select full screen, center, repeat, say no repeat, and let's live preview what we have created. Yeah, you can see how it look like. Yeah, so after that, let's save it. So scroll down. If you want to hide this one, what if you want to hide that one? So you click hide register, but I don't want to hide it. I want to hide this one, so I select hide back to. After that, let's now set this background or form background. So select the color I want to. So I want that one, just like that. Form label color, let it be black. Form button color, let it be red. You can play with it or how you want it to. So let's preview. After I saved it, you can see, yeah, you can see the button is red. The color, this label are black. Yeah, let's now set this one. Lost my password, so close this one. So on Hofer, you can enter just onto something like LED, back, back to your register link, you can enter the color you want it to be. Let's enter white. Let's preview. You see, now it is visible. So we close this one and we say on hover, it just turn red, and we update. Let's see. Great. You see, on hover, it just turn red. And save it, and we just start. We have already customized our login page. You see, that's how it look like. That's the lesson for today. Did you learn something? If you really did learn something, subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the like button for this video and share it with your friends. Remember to turn on the notification for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.